hi vloggy vlog. Editing Connie here. Hopefully you can freaking hear me. I have my camera and my mic. My whole setup. I left the SD card. No SD card. Can y'all believe that? But honestly, I just wanted to kick off this vlog, right? This was supposed to be a vlogmas. I just want to yell. My name is Connie. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This was supposed to be a vlogmas vlog, so that's why I'm redoing the intro. This was supposed to be a vlogmas vlog, but the footage was terrible, so that's why I'm redoing the intro. And I'm really not even about to sit here and talk too much. I just did this like 5 times, just a 2-second intro, and I can't even get it out. Like, just cue the butter making. Okay. We got some rosehip oil. That's gonna be one of the oils that I'm gonna be using to infuse and pack and gift. We also got argan oil. And we got Batana oil. But the Batana oil, more oil. This is Maracuja. Sorry, I'm gonna butcher it. I got this oil too to add to the mix. We're gonna have a bunch of oils. I've never tried cucumber seed oil, but I saw some reviews on it online, so I'm like, okay, let me just add it to my mix. Yes, that's correct. Aloe vera gel. So I know everyone sees like the shea butter mixture that people make and stuff like that. I'm basically gonna be doing one of those, but enhanced, because I'm not gonna be using shea butter. I'm gonna be using mango butter, and I want to add this gel property to see if I mix it, and it gives like a sort of like a leave-in conditioner effect, which is why I got my Batana oil. These are this thing called, so cheese is something. It's basically so this thing called, guys, cheese something. I don't know, but oh my gosh, what is it called? It's gonna bother me so much. Cheesecloth. Oh my gosh. Comes in a pack of a bunch of different like materials, so that when I am doing my oils, I can take the herbs out with no problem. This is the mango butter I was just saying. It's nice and soft, which is good. It means when I melt it down, it should be really easy to like whip up and get that whipped consistency. I got mango butter because 1, I love the smell of mango butter. It smells way better than the shea butter, and 2, I feel like it's just softer, to be honest. More oil, and more oil. This don't come for me. I tried to use a yoni steam once, just for the heck of it, like trying to get into it. My doctor also recommended, good, I'm in my detox, era. So I'm like, okay, let me try. These are literally the same herbs that I buy to make hair tea. Like, they have the ingredients right here. And literally everything on this ingredient list is good for your hair and skin. You can grow your hair. This is a good like moisturizer, and like it does exactly what it says. It rejuvenates. A lot of the herbs that they have here serves multiple purpose, so I'm like, I don't find any use in the yoni steam. I used it once, and honestly, it's like you can get the same effect, I feel like, while standing in the shower. The steam rises up, and if you want, or like a little bath, throw not even herbs. I feel like something else would be better in a bath than you just having steam. Like, I don't know, you know what I'm trying to say. More oil. This was mustard oil. Now to the real fun stuff. The oil infusing. Try to stick to like lightweight oils because the heavy ones just make my hair really frizzy, and I hate that. Hopefully this container is big enough. I got it. This one oil already. 4 big ones. That is all for today. I guess I'll come back and like I'll do part 2 after they have like infused for a couple days and we're actually making the butter and stuff like that, so you can see the exact process in case you wanna copy my recipe. But that's all for right now. I guess I'll see you in the next clip. Hi vlog, welcome back. I'm sitting here now mixing up my mango butter. The oil has been infusing for a couple weeks now. I'm gonna boil that so that it really infuses. I'm gonna actually dump the herbs that are in this container with the current oil and then give it fresh herbs. I got all of my ingredients. We have the mango butter here, got some more oils, we got some black tea and cloves that will be going inside of the new oil herb mixture. This is basically what it should be looking like, but I hope to get it a bit more creamy textured and fluffy, like more melted down. And I got some shea butter left here as well that I'm gonna add to the mix. Okay, so you saw me mix the turmeric and yucca powder with the Dr. Bronner's soap. I got the green bottle because I like the way that smells, and since this is castor soap, it's super safe to use your entire body and your hair. So that's why we're mixing that. I started mixing this one and then I'm like, oh yeah, I'm vlogging.